Most people spend their whole lives searching for answers. But seniors already hold the wisdom we all need. Their experiences, struggles, victories, and lessons are priceless, and today we're uncovering the wisdom that can change your life. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we explore senior wisdom, the powerful life lessons shared by older adults across the USA. These insights come from decades of living, learning, and growing. Whether you're young, middle-aged, or already a senior, these timeless lessons can guide you toward a happier, healthier, and more meaningful life. The value of lived experience. Seniors have seen the world change from technology and culture to family and lifestyle. With age comes perspective. Seniors teach us that rushing through life never brings fulfillment. They show that patience, emotional balance, and resilience are skills built over time. Their wisdom isn't from books, it's from experience, mistakes, and years of living. Wisdom about health and well-being. Many seniors say the biggest regret of their youth is ignoring their health. They teach us to prioritize sleep, nourish our bodies, stay active, drink plenty of water, and keep up with doctor's appointments. They remind us that prevention is easier than treatment. They also emphasize mental peace, avoiding unnecessary stress, and staying socially connected. Wisdom about money and life planning. If you ask seniors about finances, most of them say, "Save early, spend wisely." They remind us that impulsive buying fades quickly, but financial security lasts forever. Seniors encourage budgeting, avoiding debt, planning for emergencies, and investing in long-term goals rather than temporary pleasures. Their message is simple: live below your means and build a stable future. Wisdom about relationships. According to seniors, relationships are the true foundation of a meaningful life. They teach us to value communication, loyalty, trust, and forgiveness. They know arguments fade, but kindness keeps families together. Seniors also remind us to cherish our parents, children, spouses, and friends because time moves faster than we think.